Hey guys, welcome back to Mom and Sons, and today we are going to make whole wheat banana mug cakes in just 1 minute. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe.
I'll divide these bananas in 4 mugs. Mash the bananas really well. Now I am adding 1 TBSP powdered sugar in each mug. If you want to make sugarless, you can add half tablespoon of honey, as bananas are sweet in nature. Next I am adding 1 TBSP milk. So milk should be at room temperature. Next I am adding half tablespoon of oil.
Any flavorless oil will work.
Now give it a mix. Next I am adding half TSP vanilla essence. It's optional. Ingredient is whole wheat flour. I am adding 3 tablespoons of whole wheat flour in 2 mugs, and in 2 mugs I am replacing 1 with cocoa powder.
Now I am adding 1/4 TSP baking soda in each mug.
Followed by a pinch of salt. Now mix all these ingredients really well. Some chocolate chips. If you want, you can add some raisins or dry fruits also. Now microwave each mug cake for 1 minute on high power mode.
Now all of our mug cakes are out of the oven.
Do try this recipe at your home and enjoy cooking. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.